So today I'm super excited. I am going down the river with Jamie from Grand Experiences, and he's going to take me out on a canoe, and he's going to do it from his perspective. So what a lot of people might not realize is that he does tours, and he does guided tours, I guess. And so he's a wealth of knowledge. This man has written a book, and he has all kinds of information that I'm so excited to learn about. I feel like it's one of those things that's in our backyard and we take it for granted, and most of us that live in Paris haven't even adventured onto the river. People come from everywhere to do it, so why are we not doing it? So I'm really excited for today. So Jamie, thank you for taking us on a tour of the water today.
Oh, you're welcome.
I learned a lot. I feel like there's so much that people don't know about going out on the water, and it's right in our backyard. Like, do you find that a lot of local people, you know, are missing out, that they don't know?
Oh, for sure. A lot of people are taking it for granted or just forget it's there. It's like they haven't bothered to explore it, never gotten around to it.
Yeah, I feel like there's just something that they're missing that they would absolutely love. People come from all over the place, right, to take this adventure.
Yeah.
And I feel like it would be something that our local people would absolutely love. And I also would say, from the experience today, going on a guided tour, was amazing because you're a book of information, first off. I learned so much about the history, and the wildlife was crazy. We saw so many things. You know so much about the different types of birds and the plants, and there's a rock here and there's not a rock there, and this is how you maneuver yourself through these rocks. I would not have known that.
Well, we have lots and lots of years of experience on the river, and it's great to be able to give that experience to other people, to see them get some enjoyment out of that.
And you do offer different types of adventures, right? Like, so somebody could hire your facility to help with a guided tour that maybe has a barbecue or some sort of a special thing going on in an island or something.
Exactly.
You do that?
So we do stuff that's like just recreational, just for fun, going down the river, having a great time. We do cultural adventures. So we have a native storyteller come out and meet you on an island around a campfire and tells you great stories about the history of the river, the native history. And we do skill development. So people teach people how to become great paddlers, right up to the instructor level.
Wow.
And we teach people to be able to spot something that they wouldn't have normally found on their own.
Right. I think about times when I've traveled the world and I've gone on adventures, and I always choose a guided tour from somebody that's local, a local expert. And that's what I consider you. And I would never, ever go out on my own and just be able to find the things that are there or know anything about them. I would just go right by them. So I really, really appreciate that part.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the locals really know the area like nobody else would.
Right.
And they've been ingrained in it for years and years and years. They'll tell you all kinds of stuff that you would never find in a book someplace.
For sure. Well, I really appreciated it, and I'm sure that there's lots of people out there that would love to enjoy it. And we still have lots of summer left, and now that we're almost through the COVID, people can get out and enjoy.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Take advantage of this fantastic resource that's in your own backyard.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.